that's what I know. I just wanna lie. Yeah. Not a little bit, nah. Who did it? Me. I just wanna lie. 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 Wobble up the spot, no dance, not drunk, cause money in my pants. I just wanna lie. Sip a drink and it got me in a trance. Take the money, baby, I don't wanna dance. I just wanna lie. Got a salary up in my cargo. Push one button, make the car go. Bet I've been a man since top speed. Best kept secret, but it's time I need a spot. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie.
Alright, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. As always, appreciate the love. Appreciate everybody showing me the love, telling me, hey man, they like what I got going on. They want to see me do more. So we going for it. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the difference in LED versus halogen. What I did was I installed some LED lights in a 2016 Nissan Altima, and the car already had the regular halogen lights that you get with the Altima. And the big difference on this car is it's a common problem with these Altimas. I'm finding that you got a headlight that's gonna either be real unlevel, or you're gonna have one that's cracked and you get water inside of it. So my ideal solution is just buy a whole new headlight housing, because once you crack that factory one, it's the hardest thing in the world to try to find that exact spot where it leaked out at and seal that back up. It's just, you probably gonna try, it's probably never gonna find it. So if you have one, just buy a whole new headlight housing and start from scratch. But it was some customer supply LEDs, but I came across these surfing Amazon one day, so we're gonna just call them the Amazon LED headlights. So it's gonna be the difference between your regular halogen headlight and an Amazon LED bulb. And I'm gonna show you the difference. I'm gonna show you on these vehicles, there's a trick to installing these to make it go a little bit faster. Yeah, I know a lot of people follow my Instagram at @nextlevel_car audio. I know a lot of people follow my Instagram, see me drop a lot of bumpers. I even made a little thing one time, dropping bumpers all year. On these cars, you don't have to drop the bumper. You could just get right behind that tire, turn that wheel, and take one little clip out, and you could get you enough room to try to wiggle that headlight bulb right out there, and you could snap your new one right on. It still work. It's still, you're gonna hurt your hand doing it. It's probably gonna be easier if you just take the bumper off, but at least as far as hurting your hand go. But yeah, it still works. So it ain't like I'm giving you this and everybody gonna start doing their own headlight. Some people just ain't gonna want to stick their hand up in there. Trust me, I've seen it happen many times. So that's why I come in there and they pay me to do it. So yeah, it's a trick to doing it on these cars. You could just go ahead and turn the wheel, get behind it, boom, you could put a new headlight in. All right, and right now we'll just run the clip of me installing the headlight. I'm gonna hurry up and fast forward through some of this so y'all don't get too bored, and we'll get to the LED install part.
Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing.
Right here is the bulb I use. The thing about them Amazon bulbs are some of the mass-produced bulbs, a bunch of them gonna have different brand names on, but they're gonna look the exact same. So it's, you know, if you get one that look like each other, they're probably gonna do the exact same thing. They're the same bulb, they just got different brand names on.
This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight.
Amazon LEDs versus, you know, the higher end brands, the $300 pair LED headlights you could buy, or even the $80 to the $250 pair that you could buy, or even the $120 one you could buy. If you try to get into this and install LEDs, you want to hook up in your friend's car, your mom's car, or whatever, the only way you're gonna find out which the best ones to use, the best brand to go with, is by trial and error. That's the way I figured it out. That's the way I found out. I just use different brands and try them all until, well, not all of them because they got so many, but I just used a whole bunch of different brands and kept trying different ones and seeing which one worked with which vehicle best. Because some LEDs don't work with some vehicles best, while there's another brand that just has the right equipment for that vehicle. So it's just a hit and miss thing. Yes, some of the higher end stuff is kind of a sure go on making it work, but if you want to try to install LEDs in your friends' cars and you don't want them coming back at you saying, "Hey man, you installed them LEDs and they don't work no more, man. I need you to fix that again." You don't want to be dealing with that. Just trial and error. That's what it's gonna take. Just try different ones. Watch the results over time and see what you get, and eventually you're gonna start figuring out which brand goes with which vehicle. And once you get you the right brand, there you go. Now you can start installing LEDs. All right, so here I am on the back road, the same road that I did the first previous part of this video where I showed the halogen light. This is the same exact road at nighttime with the LED bulb. Like I said, this vehicle, the driver's side has water inside the headlight, so customer gonna need to change that eventually. But still, I did some adjusting to the headlight and try to get as much light output as I possibly can out of it. Passenger side was perfect. Passenger side was perfect, and this is just showing you the difference between how much light output is on the LED versus the halogen.
I just wanna lie. Yeah. Not a little bit, nah. Who did it? Me. I just wanna lie.